All right, we've been able to rename the small capital B to that of Gatkin coin, and also the B capital B to that of to um, Gatkin coin. Also done that. So let's check. Let's search for. So we use our normal search GROEP minus arrow Bitcoin capital letter all through Bitcoin. So we also have that. So what then we do is to use our find dot slash type f. Use this particular one. I'm going to use this also to we're going to change from we're going to change Bitcoin gas king coin. So we have this. So it's not changing. It's not changing. It's not renaming. We are renaming them. It's renaming. Changing from capital letter Bitcoin to gas king coin big letter. All right, so it has changed. Then let's search for the ticker BTC. BTC. All right, we have lots, so we're going to change BTC. That of gas king coin is G skin KC. So as it change, we are changing our ticker. We are renaming it to gas king coin ticker. As we wait the completion of the command we sent, we are going to search for this word I told you. Remember, we changed it to what? We've changed this to we change it to this gas king coin. We change it to that. So I'm going to copy it. All right, so the execution has been completed. So I'm going to search for it. So now I'm going to say a sentence. I'm searching for a sentence. So I'm going to do it this way. One, that's apostrophe, the just single one, and this. So now look at it. As you can see, you've seen everything here. So what we'll do now, see a lot of it has been changed to. So because we are copied from Bitcoin, so we're going to put the copyright of Bitcoin back. So right now we're going to do this. We'll do this. So we change it to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin. So Control V. So we're going to rename from this gathering coin to Bitcoin. That's the copyright. So as you can see, so we're going to change it from this. We're going to add all this. These are all copyrights. So we're going to change them to Bitcoin. Then, as we're changing this, in the next video, we're going to show you where to add that of gathering coin. We're going to change where to add that of gathering coin and add that of gathering coin. So that when we compile, we're going to see that of gathering coin, the copyright of gathering coin coming up also. So we're going to change. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll still look at more about renaming and others. Thank you.